What's wrong with her? Is she hungry?
Bottle.
Needs her bottle?
Need food.
We better give her some food then.
Need dinner. Baby, that bottle. Uh-oh. Need water. Now I get water.
Why don't you go get it in your kitchen? Don't you have water in your sink?
Now to it.
No, I don't want to do it.
Bottle. That open.
Yeah, it's just a toy, so we're not going to open it. Did the baby go stinky? Ooh, that's one stinky baby.
Whoa!
Whoa, what happened?
Red.
Oh, she's just wet. Okay. Your big whoa led me to believe otherwise.
Can wipe it.
Yeah.
That's dirty.
Okay, we'll get rid of it then.
Can wipe it.